Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can place an order on Zara app. So here I've already downloaded the Zara app first on the Google Play Store. If you want to find the apps, you can just simply open your App Store or Play Store. Then you can search for Zara as the keyword. And here you can see the app, and then you can just install it on your phone. Then you can tap on open to launch the app. Let's try again. I don't know why it's error. Okay, so after it's open, you can just simply explore in here. If you want to shop, you can just click on the menu in here and then find the one that you are looking for. For example, I'm looking for a shoe. You can tap on the category that you want, and in here the app will show you some of the items related to the keyword that you selected. And if you like with one of them, you can just choose. You can click on the item that you want to buy. So here is the shoe that I selected before. Now you can just tap on add in here to start placing an order, and then select your size if it's a shoe. For example, I'm going to go with 39, and then you can go to your cart by clicking on the view in here. Sorry, this one at the top. This is my shopping bag or cart. So you can see there are two items on my shopping bags, and in here, if you want to start placing an order, you can just tap on buy at the bottom. But then here, to place an order, you need to log into your account or sign up first. So here I'm going to just tap on register to start creating an account. I'm going to fill in my email in here first. And then after that, here you can choose to, if you want to receive Zara news information, you can check this box. And here I'm going to just accept the term of use. You can now create an account. Okay, so now you can just fill in your address in here. Okay, so after you fill in your address, your number, and after that you can just tap on buy again in here. And now here you can just choose between, if you want to pick up on the store, you can click on store, Zara store. If you want to have it delivered to your home, you can just click on home in here. And then you can just tap on continue. And here you can just choose the payment method between Visa, MasterCard, or a bank transfer. You can click on one of these payment method. After that, here you can just proceed with the payment. You can choose the VA, the bank transfer to the bank that you use. Okay, after that you can just click on authorize payment, and then you can just pay for your order. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.